back with a challenge video, and this time it's going to get a little crazy because I'm going to take up the 100 layers of lipstick challenge. Now it's quite easy. All I need to do is to wear 100 coats of lipstick on my lips, and that's quite scary. So let's just see how it turns out. So this is my first lipstick. I admit I'm quite scared, but you've got to do what you've got to do. I'm done with 7 coats, and this is how my lips look right now. So I'm actually not fond of the color that much, but it's not that bad. My lips actually look quite plump. Okay, 8th coat. I really don't know how to feel about this. Okay, so I have 14 coats of lipstick right now. I don't know, I still feel the same. Again, my lips are quite thicker than how they actually are. And I haven't got a lipstick stain on my teeth, so yeah, that's quite weird. Otherwise, normally, like in 1 or 2 coats of lipstick, I get like a lipstick stain on my teeth, and it gets really embarrassing, but no lipstick stain yet. That is quite a surprise actually. Okay, anyway, 15th coat. This is now getting scary. It looks like I have some infection or like some allergy on my lips, or like something has bitten me on my lips. Anyway, so yeah, this is my 22nd coat now. Coats done, and this is how I look right now. I look really funny. And since all these lipsticks are like creamy and way too pigmented for my liking, I don't know. You think I can go out like this, guys? So the only difference after 35 coats is that I can literally taste the lipstick now. It's kind of going inside my mouth, and I don't think I like the taste of lipsticks. Really funny and scary. I mean, if you guys see me like this at night, you might get nightmares. I think I'm definitely getting nightmares tonight. 50 more coats to go. 51, let's just do this. up on this challenge right now at this moment? I really want to. My lips are getting numb. I don't think I can feel them anymore. But you know what? I'm gonna do this. Okay, I am done with 70 coats. It makes me happy that I'm just left with 30 more. I think my lips, oh god, I just got lipstick on my teeth again. I don't know if I should talk because like that's just giving me a lot of stains on my teeth. You know guys, I am a lipstick addict, but I don't think I'm going to wear lipsticks for like about a month now. I am done with lipsticks for a very long time. Okay, oh, I got some on my chin. Okay. 72. So I'm done with 91 layers. I think my lips are about to fall, and you know what? I don't look funny anymore. It's really not funny anymore. I think it's just scary. I'm really sorry if you guys are scared of me right now. Five more coats to go. I cannot wait to get done with this and wipe this off my lips. Hundred. This is how I look after 100 layers of lipstick on my lips. Now you guys can tell me in the comments about how beautiful I look or how scary I look, and also let me know if you'd like me to do more such challenge videos. It's a lot of fun, and until then, lots of love.